Hey friends, if color management is not working on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Search for color management in the Windows search bar and open color management. Make sure that you're using the correct monitor and rather click on identify monitors just in case you're using multiple monitors and they're not being identified. You can add them and correct them if required, but make sure that the monitor used here is the correct one. Okay. The next solution is to reset the app which is causing conflict with color management. Let's say that in my case the app was ShareX. So I'll go to app settings and then scroll down and click on reset and reset once again. It will reset the settings of the app and it will also manage its impact on the system. Then then you can update the graphics card drivers. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and then expand the list for display adapters. Right click, select update drivers. The next one also update drivers. The last solution is to uninstall recent Windows updates. How would you do that? Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, and then go to Windows updates on the list on the left hand side. Select update history, then click on uninstall updates. Select uninstall and then click on uninstall once again. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.